Hello, dear Cancerians. How are you guys doing? So, this is a general love reading for 22nd Feb till 28th of Feb, and I'll tap into your energy and your partner's energy, and we will see what will be the outcome. So, your partner's energy right now is the Ace of Cups. They are deeply in love with you. They are feeling a lot of love, a lot of emotions for you. They are feeling they are feeling like there should be a new start in this relationship. They are ready to start a new beginning, a new relationship with you. Maybe you guys broke up in the past, but right now they are ready to mend things, ready to pour their emotions for you and tell you that how much they love you, right? Your partner's energy right now, your energy right now, sorry, your energy right now is the Three of Pentacles. Maybe you are working on your projects, you are working on yourself, you are working on something else, but right now you are not in the zone of commitment or love or something like that. So basically you are working on yourself, you are in a teamwork, or maybe there's a third party situation as well that you are considering to leave, or maybe you are already in. That is why you are not responding to this person, maybe. So basically you are working on your projects, you are working on something else, you are in a teamwork, you are doing something else in your life, and you are ready to put some effort from your side as well. I don't think much of efforts, but you are ready to put some efforts from your side as well. And but your person is deeply in love with you, and they are overflowing with emotions, and they are ready for a new beginning. Okay, how they see you? Wow, your person, how they see you? They see you as the ace of pentacles. They see you as somebody who is very very stable, who is very very grounded, who is very very loyal. So they see you as a very solid person, a loyal person, a grounded person. They feel like you are the right person for them. How you see your partner? The fool. You feel like your partner is somewhat immature, somewhat a kind of person who doesn't take seriously, who doesn't take things seriously, who don't take you seriously, or who don't take this relationship seriously. You feel like your partner is kind of immature person who is not taking anything in their life seriously, and they are just moving on in their life without any direction. They are senseless. But they are a risk taker. You know that they are a risk taker, and that is what you love in them. Okay, what they feel about this relationship, the Page of Cups. I told you this person loves you, and they are feeling lots of emotions from your side, from their side. So that is why they are feeling this energy, the Page of Cups energy. This is kind of immature energy. This is the start of developing new feelings for you, developing something new for you, and this is kind of developing some new kind of feelings for you. Okay, how you feel about this relationship? This is a Three of Wands energy. You are waiting on them, or you are waiting for the right time to convey the messages for them, to communicate with them. Right now you are not feeling like like communicating with them, or telling them, or saying them anything. Right now you are just waiting for the things to happen or to unfold for themselves. Okay, uh, okay, right now this is what they want. This is the Moon energy. They want to come out of this subconscious fear, because they are fearing that they will lose you. They are fearing there's some kind of fear in their mind that is stopping them to come to you, that is stopping them to communicate with you. So basically they are living in a fear that you will move on, or you will go and have fun with some other person, or have a relationship with other person. They are dealing with lots of pain and lots of subconscious fear right now in their life, and they want to come out of this fear and this negative energy, this toxicity. Okay, and what you want from this relationship? This is the Seven of Cups energy. You want to come out of the confusing state. You are Cancerians, you are in a very very confusing state right now, because you are not able to make a decision about this particular person. You are feeling like you want to focus on your professional life, then you want to focus on your personal life, then again the next day you feel like you should focus on your personal life, then again you feel like okay, I should talk to some other person as well, I should look out for other options as well. You are you are in a very very confused state, and you want to come out of this confusion. This is what you want from this relationship right now, and the outcome from both of the parties is, this is the Seven of Pentacles, and this is the Two of Wands. You both are waiting for each other right now. You both are not talking to each other. You right now you both are not communicating with each other. There's silence, there's complete silence, dead silence. You both are waiting for each other to communicate. This person is waiting on you that you will say something. You are waiting on them that they will say something. So this is happening. You both are waiting for each other, and they are deeply in love with you, and although they want to communicate with you, although they want to share these emotions with you, but they are not communicating. I don't think both of the parties are ready to communicate. I think till the end of Feb there will be no communication at all, or if there will be communication, that will be a general hi hello types of communication. That is not going to be a very heart to heart conversation like that, okay? Or the potential of this relationship to grow, what is the King of Cups energy. There will be lots of love, there will be lots of stability, there will be lots of emotional talk and emotional stability, if only you allow this person to communicate well with you, if you open up to this person, if you open your heart to this connection. This connection can be something that can bring the, you know, love side of you, the deeper emotional side of you, okay? This is the potential of growth. This connection has a very good potential to grow into something beautiful, okay? And the guidance from the universe is the three of swords. So basically the universe wants to tell you that you should come out of a loss, you should come out of this fear of rejection, or this fear of heartache, or this fear of heartbreak or breakup. So you should come out of this phase before proceeding further in your life, in this relationship or a relationship in general. So basically the universe is guiding you to heal yourself first, and then go for a relationship in your life, okay? And another message from the another deck is karmic relationship. Maybe your person or you and you are dealing with this are dealing with a karmic relationship. This is a karmic relationship that is teaching you something, that is giving you some lessons, and you have to proceed further in this life, in this relationship, and that is going to change you, that is going to transform you for the good. So karmic relationship, fleeting triggers, turmoil, resentment, lessons, letting go and loving you. Basically I feel like Cancerians, you are feeling some kind of fear, rejection or heartbreak, or you are, what I feel is you are connecting this person to your past person maybe, and you are feeling like whatever happened to you in the past will happen again in your in this relationship with this particular person. That is why you are not opening up to them. That is what is happening, and that is what the universe wants to tell you. There's this that was, might be that was a karmic relationship, and this can be a very beautiful or soulful connection. Give it a chance, okay? So this relationship is triggering your feelings. You are feeling that you are in turmoil, you are feeling resentment, you are learning lessons. So this is your energy right now, Cancerians. So yeah, I know this is not a very happy reading, but yes, I got to tell you the truth. Thank you so much for listening. God bless you. I hope it will give you some insight, Cancerians. Thank you so much. God bless you. Namaste. Do subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comment section below if it resonates with you. Thank you.